Kumuna. Gila. Alright, let's go. Try my GoPro Hero 7. First attempt with the with a setup with helmet. And I just try lang natin. Sobrang init naman ngayon. Kahapon ang lakas ng ulan. Alright. Good Panda. Try natin. Okay. Withdraw muna ako ng pera. Wala akong cash. $7-11 English. I need okay, withdraw saving. Yes, 800. Walang ka. Peso, meron peso. I need ka. Is 500, 100, 100. Mostly. Right? Clear. Walang market. Ay, may market ngayon. This is the market. Ito ang tindahan dito. Hello, Ting! Wait, market. Saan kaya makapunta? Kaliwa, kanan? Kaliwa, kanan. US kanan. Puntang Rawai Beach. Kaliwa, Phuket Thailand. Try to go in here on the for rent. Mga motor na for rent, so OCX. Mga for rent yan dito sa Phuket. Ganda ng sidecar, oh. Ganda, oh. What's that? Is 99 baht or 150 baht per day? I don't know. It's Thai. But I love the sidecar. Nice sidecar. Motorbike shop. Oh, motorbike shop pala to. Oh. Say hi. Hello. Good. Where are you from?
Hey.
Okay, good. Very hot today. It's good for you. It's not good for me. Okay, guys. Turista from States. Sarap na sarap sila sa init. Kami naman balot na balot. Alam mo naman ang mga American, gusto nila ang init kasi malamig sa kanila. Lalo ganito. But actually Phuket right now is a rainy season. Yesterday is I think 4 or 5 hours raining. A bit hard rain, and then kaya kahapon nung umuwi ako from doon, basa ako. At yung nabili kong raincoat maliit. Alam mo naman, pagka malapit ng dagat, stay kaya tayo dito. Wait, just take a look. Just take a look around. Napakainit. The construction. So construction sila. Oh, daming bangka. Gandito lang dito, putol. Putolo. Chalong Pier. Daing nakapark ah. May mga yate, private, public, mga nag-island hopping. Sobrang init. So doon naman yung Rawai. Gamit sila pang construction sa bangka. Rawai, Einhorn, sa gawin doon. Sa mga private beach na ron. Sa mga restaurant. Runabout. It's runabout. napili mo sa kanila. Ito dito yun eh. Ako nga. Hello, are you want to make cheesecake?
Yeah.
I think here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You like to look? Okay, I show you. You're not high, huh?
Oh,
But you look high, huh? Or not?
no.
You know from friends that they have homemade cheesecake?
Yes, I remember this because many times I come here morning, it's closed.
Oh, morning and not open.
Yes.
I open travel. This cheesecake, this apple cake.
This apple and this cheesecake.
Yes.
And how much the one slice?
How much like 80 baht? 80 baht.
80 baht. Because the last time we order here, my boss ordered here.
The whole one.
Yes.
I have, but they take already.
They take already. Okay. How much the whole one?
900 baht.
Oh, I think 700.
No, 900.
Oh, 900 baht.
Yeah.
Because my boss last time many times order here. I think Kunim. My boss German. We eat here many times and then we order. You don't remember, I think.
I long time.
Yes.
But the whole one I never have 700. No.
Oh no, I think 900. Okay. Okay, I will try the one slice first, and then if it's still same taste because many times I taste already.
You like to cut and fry.
So I'll try.
Tomorrow I have again. This also come every day.
And you have number, huh? Okay, and give to me your number, and then if my wife she loves cheesecake, that's why I come here.
I know. The whole one I have, but they order, they come take soon.
Oh, okay.
Soon they come to take this.
Oh, yes, okay. No problem. I just want to know what time you're open. It's 10. No, I think give me your number and then I will call you to try.
Normally 3 days.
3 days before.
3 days before order.
Okay.
It's better for
Yes,
me.
yes, yes.
You know, if I make 1 day, but I need.
Wow, this
like
is the whole one.
Yeah, the whole one 900 baht. If you take one piece, that means you have free 1 piece inside.
Okay.
Nobody make only here. In Lawai, in Katong, in Katu.
Yes.
It's like this cake.
Yes.
Yes. Sure ไหมอ่ะสวยไหม
Yes.
Because I come the people they like and then it's moving. I cut not beautiful. If hard like this, I can cut. You know, it's
Yes.
good.
It is the cheesecake. It's the price is 900 baht. Okay, guys, if you come in Phuket, see this place. Going to Big Buddha. Going to Big Buddha, and there's the cheesecake and there's the apple cake. Very nice. Okay, this is the cheesecake. Wow. That's taste for me. I love it. Oh my god. I love it. Very nice, guys. Guys, if you come in Phuket, just go this place. I love the cheesecake.
The government just come order my food.
Yes,
10
and
minutes before
give me
you
your
come.
number and then write your number, please. Oh, you have a card, okay. And
This is my number, but if you can order him, he's make the cheesecake.
okay. And your name is
Boom.
Gong. there's the. She has a business card. Her name is Gung. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's German Kuchen.
Yes, yes. Okay, guys. If you come in Phuket, try this place. They serve a German food, sausage or whatever you want. Her name is Gung, and this is the place. When you going to Big Buddha, you cannot see the place of Big Buddha. This is over there. Yeah. Okay, see you. Thank you. Bye bye. Kapun kap. This is the place, and this is the small restaurant. In German is Hero7 mit Bratkartoffel. Hey, we're parking over there. Thank you. Bye bye.